Before going into the topic details, I want to bring your attention to the UPSC coaching programs offered by ClearIAS. ClearIAS offers online and offline courses to help candidates get selected for prestigious government services like IAS, IPS, or IFS. ClearIAS Prelims cum Mains (PCM) course provides a highly effective study plan, well-organized subject-wise videos, study materials, mock exams, and guidance to cover the entire GS syllabus of UPSC CSE prelims, mains, and interview systematically. As a limited period offer, there is a 40% discount on our online courses. Enroll now.
Now, you just try to understand what is the ground provided by the Constitution for the removal of judges. The ground provided is that proved misbehavior or incapacity. Proved misbehavior or incapacity. Now, these are also not described by the Constitution. It does not describe what is proved misbehavior, what is incapacity. It does not describe. But one thing is sure, for the removal of the judges, the grounds provided by the Constitution is proved misbehavior and incapacity. And the Constitution says that the judges of the Supreme Court shall be removed by the President of India on the recommendation of the Parliament. And what is the reason why the Parliament is written here? Why did not it stop with just the President of India? If it is just the President of India, what will you understand? It is the Prime Minister and the Council of Ministers aiding the President of India. So instead, to maintain the independence of judiciary, what was written is that on the recommendation of the Parliament of India, which consists of the ruling front and the opposition, only the judges of the Supreme Court shall be removed. Fine? Fine? Now, the process for the removal, is mentioned in a parliamentary law which is known as the Judges Inquiry Act of 1968. So it is this law which speaks about the process by which the removal will be conducted. So it is in this law which says that the special majority is required. That is the special majority under Article 368. The same special majority that is required for the amendment of the Constitution is required for the removal of the judges of the Supreme Court, and it is the same process that you use for the removal of the judges of High Court also. The removal is same for the Supreme Court as well as the High Court judges. Fine. So what kind of majority is required as a special majority under Article 368 of the Indian Constitution. Fine. And the removal process of the judges of the Supreme Court can either be started in Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha. If it gets started in Lok Sabha, that will have to get support of 100 members. If it gets started in Rajya Sabha, 50 members support is necessary. Fine. Then there will be constitution of an inquiry committee, and this committee will have to submit the report after investigation to both the houses. Both houses will have to pass it with special majority. Then the Parliament will write to the President of India that the allegation against this judge in relation to the proved misbehavior or incapacity has got clarified. Now please remove these judges. Fine. That is how the removal process will take place.